Hello there. In this video, I wanted to introduce you to the concept of backlinks and how they might break your sites or even rank your site. And many SEOs out there guarantee that they will get tens of thousands of backlinks, which is shitty as it sounds because that might get you into trouble. Now, I will completely explain you the concept of backlink and what it is and how it might harm you or how it might help you to rank. So I will show you exactly what you could do and what needs to be done. So if you Google what is a backlink, it might say a backlink for a given web resource is a link from some other website to that web resource. Now let me show you something. So if I search on best places to visit in New York, this is one of the articles I come up with, and then you could see that the Statue of Liberty is shown here. So there are basically two types of link, internal and external. Now here you could see it has mentioned see also where to stay in New York City. So this link points to their own website but to another blog or article. So this is called the internal link, which links to their own site but to a different page. And for Statue of Liberties, when you go down, they have given link to Statue of Liberty. And when you click on this, this is another domain. Now see here planetware.com, and this domain is viator.com. So this is called external link. So we could say that viator.com / New York City, and this page has got one backlink from plantware.com. So backlink is basically when someone links to your site. This is also called hyperlink. So when someone links to your site, it's called a backlink. Now why is that important? So suppose you could suppose this as a vote for your website. The more people vote for your site, the more better Google will see it. So if many people are linking to you, then Google might see, oh, this site is popular, many people are linking to this site, so they might rank you. Now here's where it comes dangerous. Not all links are equal. Quantity or quality backlinks. Let's just search that up. So in quantity, Google might be suspicious that how in the heck did this website got hundreds of thousands of links in just a day or two or even a week. Wouldn't it be skeptical that why has this website got so many links, because it's irrational. So that time Google might penalize your site. And on the other hand, when these are little but they are not of quality and they lack poor quality and they have a very high spam score, then chances are your site might get penalized because those are run from trustable sources, like it's coming from a torrent or any kind of illegal site. Then there are high chances that your website might get penalized. What does penalize mean? It basically means it will not rank you in the search engines. It will de-index your site and not send you any traffic and reduce your website authority. So basically you will have very less visitors to your site, and it's difficult to recover from that penalty. So what you need to do, you need to aim for quality backlinks. Now there's one, you could just simply search backlink building, and there's a blog from Brian Dean and Neil Patel. They share with you what ways you could build backlinks. One simple way is to just go on to your peer site or the sites which talk about your subject, and then send them an email and compliment them and simply say them that would they link to you or your site. And you could do it for paid or for free, depends on, you could do a sponsored link or something like that. Then there are something called Web 2.0s. What are Web 2.0s? So Web 2.0s are nothing but sites like blogspot.com, tumblr.com, and sites like those where you publish articles. Now some are real sites like google.com or anything like that. Those are real sites, and Web 2.0s are sites which are called Web 2.0s because on that we republish some of the articles, so it's basically called Web 2.0. So the example I gave is Blogspot is also a Web 2.0. So those are basically the links. Now what you do is create articles on medium.com, then tumblr.com, and post your articles over there and have a link to your original site. That's web 2.0. Now the other ones are PBNs, which are kind of the dangerous ones. Now PPNs, I have to keep this video broad, so I won't get into much depth. But what PPN means is basically you collect or you have a collection of domains or sites which you build up and put some content on, and that's basically your network that you control, and you link out to your main money site from those domains that you have bought. So it's kind of like a network of various websites that you have built on your own. Now Google might know that why is this website continuously linking to this website only, and it could trace what is called a footprint. What a footprint is basically when it tracks something or some activity and interrelates those activities and sees how they are interlinked, or it basically sees that so many websites are linking to this website and this website has a poor quality link. So PBNs are controlled by us. We buy certain domains, build out websites, and then link from those websites to our main money site. So that's called another link building, although I wouldn't suggest PBNs. And one more is the press release. Press releases are when you get published in news articles or news sites. They generally point a link to your site, so that's a really high quality backlink. You shouldn't aim for cheap backlinks or quantity backlinks, especially to your main site. That might ruin all your website. Now what to do if someone tries to negative SEO? So many people, what they do is buy bulk backlinks to make their competitors go down. So suppose they have a competitor ABC, they might point all the shitty backlinks to abc.com and get them penalized so they don't rank. So this is called negative SEO. So how do you do or prevent from this? So if you have Google Search Console set up, then there's an option to disavow links. So what you basically do is you first set up the Google Search Console, and then there's an option to call disavow links, and in this you just simply add the links, and then Google considers it that it shouldn't index those links or it shouldn't crawl those links, so it won't detect those links, and you could basically prevent yourself from getting penalized and all that negative SEO stuff. So this was an overview. I hope it cleared your confusion a little more bit, and you shouldn't ask any SEO how many backlinks they are gonna build, or sometimes you might ask, but that's not a metric that you should measure. You should measure the quality and the relevance of that site from where the backlink is coming from, because too many backlinks would be harmful for your site. So if you say someone, the more backlinks you build, the more I will pay, then it's the more I pay, the more I will get my site deranked. So that's not what you want to do. You want to build quality and good and relevant backlinks. So that's what my point is. Hope you like this video. If you did, then subscribe and like this video so YouTube pushes it out, and you could check out my GMB SEO complete checklist which I follow to optimize my GMBs. Now there are a lot of things other than this which I have put out on my YouTube channel. You could check those out, such as the keyword research one and videos like this in which I talk more about SEO. If you like this, then consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.